Hey guys, what's going on? Good night, I should say, or good evening. Getting pretty late now. I wanted to tell you a little bit about my most favorite red lipstick. My friend actually recommended this lipstick to me. I was looking for something that would be bright and really nice, just to kind of liven up any outfit and stand out, and I find red lipstick really liberating, and I feel like once you have red lipstick on, you don't really need as much eye makeup or anything because the red stands out so much. So my friend, who actually is a makeup artist, recommended this to me. She's like, you have to get MAC Ruby Woo. It is my most favorite red lipstick, so I totally trusted her judgment, and she picked this up for me, and I love it. So the product dimensions are 2.8 by 1.2 by 1.2 inches, or 0.64 ounces. The shipping weight is 0.6 ounces as well. This has gotten a whole bunch of high recommendations. People love it. Ruby Woo will give you more of a matte look rather than a shiny, glossy look. I don't know if it's considered a matte lipstick, but it doesn't have any kind of like glossiness to it, which I like about it. And it lasts a whole day, literally. I think maybe I had to retouch it once after, using a napkin after having lunch or whatever, but it stayed on all day, and I use it all the time. If I'm wearing like an all black outfit to work, I'll throw this red lipstick on, and it just makes me feel better because it makes me feel like, all right, I look, my makeup looks more done, and it just stands out so much, and it looks great in photos as well. So this is Ruby Woo. This is how it's spelled. It's a retro, it is a matte. Okay, so it's considered matte. Retro matte lipstick. The reason this says not for individual sale is because I purchased it in a set through my friend. And like I said, she's a makeup artist, so it came in a little pouch, which was really cute, with a MAC perfume, which I didn't even know they made perfume, and it's excellent, and it stays on all day. So you guys will be seeing another video for that as well, because I don't believe it's sold as a set anymore. Makeup Art Cosmetics, distributed Toronto, made in Canada. I love MAC makeup. It just always stays on really good. It is like kind of retro looking, the top, and I think it's really cool. I love it. You guys are going to absolutely love the shade once I open it to show you guys. Just want to point one thing out. MAC does test on animals, and they are kind of open about it, and I just don't like that about MAC, and they're constantly under fire by animal rights activists about it, and I really do try not to purchase products that are tested on animals. So yeah, that's just one thing I really do not like about MAC at all. So just wanted to put that in there for you guys, in case you weren't aware. Okay, so just flip the top open. Actually, it has it's not like scented, but it has a nice like soft light smell to it. And this is the color. It applies really nice, really evenly. See that, guys? It's just so bright and beautiful looking. You guys can see, like, it was more slanted, but I've been using it a lot, so that's why it's like a little bit more rounded. I guess that's maybe my lips or the way that I use it that's caused it to do that, but I absolutely love it. And I mean, if you guys are like, you wear red lipstick every day, this could be your great everyday red lipstick as well. I don't. I usually switch it up. I especially love to wear red, like I said before, when I'm wearing black, because I feel like it makes it stand out that much more. But I've worn this to weddings and stuff, and I got a ton of compliments on it, and I absolutely love it so much. So it's like a vivid bluish red. I think it has like bluish undertones, and you could find this online, super easy. Just make sure you're getting a real product depending on where you order it from. I believe the number is B46, product number B46. And I think right now, with the holidays coming up, a lot of women go to red lipsticks for the holidays, Christmas, Thanksgiving. I know I do, so it's perfect for that as well. Also perfect for your New Year's Eve parties coming up soon. So I would say, hands down, ladies, this is a must-have, must-use in your makeup routine. I think this looks good on every single person's skin tone. Doesn't matter what color your skin tone is, it looks beautiful on everyone. This looks nice when I'm pale, and it also looks nice when I'm tan. I've tried it both ways and I love it. I think that you ladies will be really, really happy with this product. It stays on, like I said. I just put it on and then I blot maybe one time on tissue and it lasts all day long. And it's just, the shade is beautiful and it'll make you feel vibrant and liberated. So I hope you guys will try out MAC Ruby Woo lipstick. Again, show you guys the label so you can see how to spell it. Retro matte lipstick, and I hope that this is a staple that you guys can put in your little makeup drawer and use at all times, whether it's to work, party, the holidays. And I hope you found the video useful. Thanks so much for watching, guys.